wood. They have their forage where they're planting trees. This one here is a 55-year-old tree. They're outward on the tree or sideways. When they crack open, all the seeds will fall.